The aluminum foil lunchbox production line consists of an aluminum foil roll material feeding rack, lubricating oil tank, oil squeezing roller, aluminum foil tensioning device, servo feeding machine, press machine, aluminum foil lunchbox mold. The finished product collector for meal boxes and the waste foil collector are included. The private server feeding machine is controlled by PLC and is used to produce meal boxes of different sizes. The feeding length can be directly set in the PLC, which is convenient and fast. The automatic mealbox collection machine has the functions of adjusting the direction of mealbox transmission, automatic stacking, and automatic counting. Molds can be designed as single cavity, double cavity, or multi-cavity molds according to the production capacity requirements of customers. The punch press is specially designed for aluminum foil lunchboxes, featuring a large stroke and a large work table. It can meet the requirements for both large and small food containers, as well as single-cavity and multi-cavity molds. The waste collector can suck the waste strips into the shredder, which will cut the waste strips into small pieces and transfer them to the waste bin.